sir.
What's going on, guys? We got most of the chassis painted. This seal here is giving me a major problem, so I had to order another one because I messed up that one. So I just gotta take my time. I'm gonna try to press it in this time, not sure, but we've got to remove the radiator yet, paint all back there. That's what my plan is today, because the Atlas is out. We've got to change fluid in that, and then the Jeep has a top back on it, fenders, the rear fenders are almost done, the sway bars back on the front. If you can see, I made all these brackets for like the water and horn and in-cab winch controls, so it's getting there. But we have to go pick up a conference table for our fire department, so if anything interesting happens, just got some stuff in from Odyssey battery. Let's see what we got. Got a new hoodie. And got some new stickers for the new panels. So I'll get my logo printed on the back of this. Good thing I live right next to a locksmith. That's a really good locksmith. They come in handy when you buy junk cars or trailers without locks on them. And also I live right next to a shirt maker or whatever you want, vinyl printer. So let's see what stickers we got. Let's see what else came in the mail. We got a package from Japan. No, wait, hold on. JP, Japan Post. This is from our buddy Tasudo. Calendar. That'll be nice to have in the office. Mark down when we're going on races and that kind of stuff. And let's see what else we've got. We found these online. They're super short, low profile adapter set. So hopefully they don't break as much. So I'm gonna get back to painting. what's going on, guys? Forgot to do an outro. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. We're headed on a road trip tomorrow to pick up a buggy with a friend. Not my buggy, but a friend's. And so most of that build will be on here. And we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.